Hey, Denise here. Welcome to another video for Life Cycle 360. I want to share something with you that you can take to you using in the gym when you're doing your squats especially. It revolves around getting your ankles to move better and improve the range of motion. Why would you want to do that? Because that could be the limiting factor for you when you're doing your squats, when you're doing your lunges, deadlifts, pretty much most of the strength training exercises that you may choose. The ankles may be limiting you in being able to perform efficiently. Now remember last week we spoke about methods of mobilizations. I want to show you what it is and how you can use a resistance band to improve your range of motion for your ankle. Alright, let's go.
Alright guys, so when doing this ankle mobilization, remember this is about increasing the range of motion for the joint. You would probably pass the self-myofascial release, the foam rolling of the calves to acquire more joint mobility. So this is your next step. You want to place the resistance band not on the top of the foot, but more on the middle of the foot, right where you're having the joint moving over the other, as you can see in this video here. You notice it's just a little on top of the foot, and that is called the talus bone. I'm putting some pressure below so that the resistance is felt in a downward motion, because what you want to do is to get that talus bone to move freely over the tib fib. Now I'm telling you, the ankle is such an amazing joint. There's so much intricacy going on there. But the thing is, sometimes the joint limitation needs what we call this type of mobilization to increase the ability for you to do your squats and stuff. I just added the weight there to help me free up my hands. Now I can work on getting that ankle moving better.